In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the file types that are allowed for submission on Distrokid. If you feel like definitely you've been looking for this video, leave me a comment below. Just say, yes, this is the video I've been looking for, and I will appreciate that as well. So let's get direct into the Distrokid platform. I don't want to take a lot of your time. When you log in, you'll be brought to the My Music tab here. So let's go to the Upload Music section, because that is where we're going to be able to verify which particular file types are required by Distrokid. So once you're here, you scroll until you get to the point where it says upload your audio file. And you'll be presented with the different options that it allows. As you can see here, the WAV format, MP3, M4A, FLAC, AIFF, WMA. More than half of these I don't really even know their purpose. I mostly know 3 actually, and actively use 2. So the 3 that I know are WAV, MP3, and M4A. The rest I've just kind of seen them in passing. I don't know their purpose, but these 3 things have served me very well on my journey. The ones that I would actually encourage you to use are WAV and MP3 format, because those are the most basic, I feel, the most basic forms of audio, WAV being the highest quality. And it's not that I'm an audiophile or anything, it's just that my producer keeps asking me for the WAV file of whatever it is I'm recording. I guess it's because it's high fidelity in terms of quality. So that's basically it. Either WAV or MP3 or any of these other formats, depending on how proficient you are with all this audio, jargon or audio formats, audio styles. I don't know. Don't shoot the messenger. But yeah, that's what I just wanted to deliver for you guys. These are the file types. Let me know in the comment section what you thought it was going to be, or if you feel like it was obvious and you would have figured it out. Anything really helps the engagement, and I'll see you in the next video.